Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy A03s, and let me share with you how to show total screen time on this device. So firstly, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down to the digital well-being and parental controls. Now we have to enter digital well-being, so simply tap on it, and as you can see, here we've got the graph which will show us for how long we've been using this device today, and today we've been using it for 25 minutes, and it is divided between particular apps, so we can check that we've been using the settings for the longest for 15 minutes. After tapping on the graph, we can also check weekly, let's say, screen times, and again under it we've got the apps. Here you can also check. Sorry, let me tap on it. Here you've got also the graphs for the notifications received and for how many times you've unlocked the device. Here you can set the goals, so you can set the screen time goal. For example, if you will set 1 hour of the screen time and you will go above it, then your device will notify you about that. What's more, you've got the ways to disconnect, so if you've got the time when you have to focus, you have to work, or you want to go to bed, then you can set particular mode and your device will limit notifications from particular apps, for example Facebook Messenger, and so on and so on. So actually this is it. This is how to check total screen time in your Samsung Galaxy A03s. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.